Natural ways of removing black spots, dark spots, and acne scars from your face in just 5 days. This is a 100% proven remedy that can remove all dark spots and acne scars from your face. Best part of this remedy is that it is very effective and very easy to prepare with all ingredients easily available at your kitchen. Potato, 1 no.s. Lemon, half slice. Peel off the skin from potato. Cut it into small pieces and put them into a blender jar. Blend it well. Now with the help of a strainer, strain the potato juice into a clean bowl. Squeeze the lemon juice from the lemon into the bowl. Mix it well. With the help of a cotton ball, apply this face mask all over your face and especially the affected areas. Leave it on for about 10 minutes to let it dry. Wash it off with water. For best results, do this twice a day for a week.